everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram story, and you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. So let's talk about the products. Alright, so the first product I want to talk about is LA Splash. It's a matte lipstick. It comes with a really cool design on top here. Perfect for Halloween. The inspiration is for the golden age of rock and roll. Just kidding. No, the golden age of classic horror. So this is Dr. Jekyll and Mrs. Hyde. They have a really nice red color that is I believe like Frankenstein, only she's like has nice hair. It's so cute. It comes with these really cute packages here. Classic horror. Perfect for Halloween. This matte lipstick is 0.1 ounces. It does last to 6 months, and it comes with 8 different shades. You can purchase the shades online on their website at LA Splash. I'm not sure if they have an Instagram shop built up. I'm sure they do. Most of the businesses now have them. That would be pretty cool. They did used to have a 8-set lipstick collection of all these matte lipsticks together in a whole box. It was really cool. But unfortunately, I believe it's sold out. Luckily for you guys, you get to buy them individually online. It's pretty cool. LA Splash presents classic horror. I believe it's around $16. The line is cruelty-free, and it will last you a long time. I know for me, it lasts pretty good. Of course, I do have to retouch it after some food, especially tacos. So the directions for this, you definitely want to just go ahead and pull it out. It does have a unique heart-shaped tip to it. Kind of big on the bottom, then gets a little narrow and smaller on the top. I'm going to do my top lip here. We're just going to outline the out part first. Try not to talk. There we go, and then just go ahead and fill it in. This shade is Mrs. Hyde number 7, and it should dry in about 3 to 5 minutes. I do like to put a little bit of chapstick before, because my lips get too dry. There we go, we're going to let that dry, and we'll talk about the next product, which is the wonderful Tarte Cosmetics. Woo! This is Tarte Lip Paint. This color is delish, and it is 0.20 ounces. I couldn't find a time expiration, whether it lasts 12 months or 6 months. I'm sure it's about the same. Since it's a liquid matte lipstick, I'm sure it probably lasts around 6 months as well. I can't even remember if this came in a package or how I received it, but I'm sure like maybe it did come with a package, and that's where the expiration date on there. You know what? I could have probably gotten this as a sample, now that I'm wondering. Anyways. It's up in Sephora and also Tarte Cosmetics. It is a full coverage color, and it shouldn't even transfer onto my hands. LA Splash is doing pretty good about that. The amount of time for it to dry, it just says quick, dry, matte. That's it. So it should dry quickly. They do have a variety of colors that are very vibrant, and it shouldn't dry too much. It should give you a lot of movement with your lips, so you don't feel like you're talking with like cement on your lips, you know? Actually, LA Splash is doing pretty good about that too. Doesn't feel dry at all. I did, of course, remember add chapstick, so it helps. There is no paraben, phthalates, mineral oil, triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, or gluten. It is also vegan, cruelty-free, and dermatologist tested. Ooh la la! Okay, so we're going to go ahead and try it out on my bottom lip. It does recommend using a lip scrub before. So yes, prepping your skin with lip scrub and then chapstick, but you could also just use chapstick. That's what I did. Okay. Now I'm having trouble opening it. So this one, they want you to use the wand. It is just a regular like brush. The usual that you usually see Has little like hairs on it. And then go ahead and just outline your bottom or top lip and then fill it in. Again, the color is Delish. Almost similar. I do have to say LA Splash is probably a little bit darker than the Tarte. It is a lighter color, but they're both pretty. They are beautiful colors. So when you do your shaping, you want to use the tip part to outline, and then the flat part, you turn it like this, and that's when you go ahead and just fill it in. Okay, so it says that it should set in seconds. It did say in the directions that it lasts up to 8 hours, but of course also in the directions online it says that it lasts all day. So not really sure which one's true, but I'm sure if you eat, you probably have to refresh the lipstick anyways. Okay, now I'm sure all of you aren't here just to watch me put on lipstick. I know you want the results. So, here are the results. And LA Splash 83% and Tarte Cosmetics is 17%. Congratulations, LA Splash. You are the winner. Winner. Yeah. Woo. Okay. Good job, LA Splash. I legit thought that Tarte was going to win because they are the most popular brand. Of course, they are in Sephora and everything, so I was like, it's a landslide for Tarte. No way LA Splash is going to win. Proved me wrong. Legit. Proved me wrong. Everyone loved LA Splash. I couldn't believe it. Okay, everyone, so just remember to comment below whether you liked LA Splash or Tarte Cosmetics, the lip paint versus the classic horror. You know, I tried picking something similar in colors. I'm sure it's wonderful. And if you comment below, you will get featured in my next video. I didn't get any features this week, but that's alright. We will see you guys next week. So, just keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye!